35 kilograms KARN's multi-container dry cleaner. Come on, we pack our clothes. Come on, this is. In a laundry factory, this is an internet laundry factory. 35 kilograms dry cleaning machine. Let's pack clothes. This machine has a roller capacity of 600 liters. His load capacity is very large. If normal, you can put all the clothes in a basket that can be washed. His production capacity is very high, his production capacity is very large, his load capacity is large, and his bombing is fast, and his steaming is fast. When we were steaming just now, he tested the distillation is quite fast. After we finish washing our clothes, we will make a special video of distillation for you to see. This machine can be distilled while drying. Its efficiency is very high. And this machine has built-in steam. It is built-in boiler, built-in 2 boilers. One dry and one distilled. Can be performed synchronously. Come on, let's start. Press automatic to confirm automatic. Door lock program number 2 start. The operation is that simple. It's very simple to operate because it's a touch screen. It rinses the solvent first. Seen or not, rinse the liquid chamber first. Flush the pipe first. Flush all the liquid pump tank pipes. After rinsing, then take oil. Oil comes in. Come in here. This pump has a very high pressure. Its oil impact is very strong. The advantage of strong oil impact is that it can rinse away the dust and fluff on the clothes. After rinsing off, after washing dark clothes, light-colored clothes are very simple to organize in the later stage. Not so hairy. Mao Shao. All shits are very easy to deal with. This is a benefit of multi-tool. All are washing. Washing time can be washed for 5 minutes or 10 minutes, depending on the dirtiness of the clothes. After 5 minutes, 10 minutes, enter high detachment, enter drying, enter cool down. The clothes come out in an hour. Let's see the effect. Drying time is 50 minutes. It's dry. It's dry now, because there is a down jacket inside, so we might have to bake for a while. If it's just the clothes, it's already dry. Look here. See it? It's dry. Because there is a down jacket. So we dry for a little longer. If there is no down jacket, it will be dry. Second turn to first. Right. This oil can be used for free. Right. There is really oil coming out of it. Got it through. This is down. Down jackets must be baked more to dry thoroughly. Mr. Zheng, look at this. This is a little longer. Yes. This is no marks. Just go through. If the baking time is not enough or that, if you take off badly, you will get a mark. Did your previous clothes have any marks? We've been betting on this dress in the first half of the year. Then it's okay after that. In the future, you can kill this kind of clothes specifically. Slash and wash it. When you remove it, take it off again. Now it's time limit, he won't allow you to kill a blow. What to do then? That's all, that's not a one-day beating. Is it okay to kill and wash every day? Do it, that's fine. You will have 1 day from now on. Wash this clothes with the last blow every night. After washing, drying time is longer. Bake it through. Ming Pao Canada // Ming Pao